Shiba holders, if you skip this video, exactly my friend, you are completely in the lost. Yes, absolutely my friends. Why you are in the lost after this video, you also tell me my friends. To absolutely thank you so much to make this video. So let's get started this brand video. Before I get started this video, I request you my brother Shiba holder, kindly subscribe this channel for this type more informative videos. Yes, absolutely my friends, Shiba is fails down. You can see here this time, just only in the last 24 hours, you can see here this time, this is latest update my friend, minus 18.71% they fails down completely from last 24 hours my friend. You can see here this time the last 1 day chart is on the screen. Shiba is one of the viral token my friend this time in the crypto market. You can see here the price is absolutely take a very good jump. But after this, well, if you can see here, I don't know to them moving upward in upcoming times or they falls down. But after a prediction, after a technical analysis, I will give you my friends a prediction to upcoming times they moving upward or they falls down. So let's see my friends to the last 1 hour chart to what's going on this time in the last 1 hour. First of all, the latest update is absolutely very important. Yeah, this is the last 1 hour. You can see here on the screen, the last 1 hour chart is also in the negative. Shiba holder, if you see this time, absolutely they are in the lost my friends, they are fails down. So definitely it's mean my friends, they fails down, but never saw this chart my friends. Let's see the last 3 days chart to what's going on. After that, I predicate this my friend in upcoming times which speed they move upward and they fails down. Yeah, if you can see here my friends, this time the last 3 days chart is on the screen, and you can see here first of all I draw the line 1, I draw the line 2. The first of all you can see here after this fails my friends, they take a very good jump my friend. You can see here they after a short jump they take a very good jump. So it's mean my friends. So you can see after this jump also they fails down, but after this fails my friend also the good jump is soon my friend. So you can see here this time after a fails they take a jump, after a fails they take a jump. Absolutely in this circulation they are moving. So this time absolutely they fails now, but I hope my friend after this fails they also take a good jump. So the good time is coming soon my friends. All holders be alert, don't sell it. A lot of holders starting doing this mistake too, they are starting selling. So don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope you just only hold it to the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you understand something new in this video. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Also like this video. Allah Hafiz, take care.